How to build a website with Squarespace. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can create your very own website using Squarespace. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now first things first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on get started button to sign up, and if you want to sign up, make sure you click the link down in the description below as you will get a special offer. So if you want to sign up on Squarespace, be sure to click the link in the description below. Now, when you first sign up onto your Squarespace account, over here, it will tell you to tell us about your website so that they can give you a better example of a template that you can use. You can even describe what you're looking for, or you can skip and choose from the template. So for me, I'm going to skip all of this and I'm going to just simply choose from the templates that I have provided over here. Now, over here, as you can see, we have tons and different templates that we can use for our website. And for me, I really like this one. Its name is Almeida. So let's go ahead and view this template. So as you can see, this is how it looks like. Pretty decent, pretty clean. We have some animation over here, and this is basically a clothing store, and it's pretty simple. I actually like this one. We have our categories at the top, our navigation at the very top, and yeah, overall it looks pretty cool. Let's see how it looks like on a tablet. Pretty simple. How about the phone? Oh yeah, very simple and very minimalistic. I like it. So I'm going to be using this one. You can choose any other ones you want. So over here, as you can see, as I said before, tons and tons of different templates to choose from. So choose whichever one you like and you can continue on with the video. So I'm going to start with Almeida. So over here, we're going to go ahead and continue with Google or email, or more options are available as well. And over here, we have to give it a name. You can just skip it if you want. I'll call it Almeida and click on continue. We have a little demo over here, but we'll just continue. All right, so here we go. So this is how it looks like, right? You can go ahead and edit it out by using some of the options that are provided over here onto the left-hand side. You just close this up. So this is how it looks like. You have your pages, you have your design, your commerce, marketing, scheduling, analytics, profile settings, and all of that. Let's go ahead and click on pages. So first thing, we have the shop. This is how it looks like. Then we have the lookbook, where we can view all of the products that we have, all the models, and then we have the about page, and then we have the contact page as well. Then we can add other pages as well. So as you can see, it says not linked. So these pages are not linked as of right now, but we can add more pages by clicking on this button, and we can go ahead and add them over here. So for now, we have the shop page. Let's go back over here, and over here, this is how it looks like. We have all over here. We have the top option right here. These are the top clothing options that we can see right here. We can even change them out as well. So for example, if you click over here, select the detail of page, we have different detailing as well to choose from. What type of page would look good? Right now, the simple one is selected, and I like the simple. We'll just go with that. But yeah, this is how it looks like. Let me just hide these steps. And if you want to, you can go ahead and change the name of this page or this category to anything you want. We have the name, the URL slug, enable pages, and we can add to our main navigation. We have categories, social images, advanced as well. And if you were wondering how you can add different products, well, let me just show you. Let's go back over here, back to pages, back to home. And over here, as I said before, you have the commerce option. We simply click on the commerce option, and over here we have orders, inventory, customers, discount, membership, and many more. You're going to have to click on the inventory option, and over here you will have all of your products available right here. You can go ahead and select each product. You can delete them if you want to. You can even add products by clicking on the add button over here, add product, and over here you can add physical product, digital download, gift card, service, membership, scheduling. Let's go ahead and click on physical. We're going to add a product, and over here you simply enter in the product name. We're going to give it a basic hoodie. And then we upload the images. We're going to click on upload files right here. And then just simply choose these images that I have right here. Unfortunately, we can't select all of them, so we're going to have to choose one by one. There we go. Looks pretty decent. Then we click on next. Add in the price. We'll say around $25. There we go. Unlimited stock. No, it's not unlimited. And then we're going to say like maybe 100 are in stocks, and then we'll just simply click on add more detail. Now we can go ahead and add more images as well. Now we can select multiple images. Then we just simply click on open, and here we go. We have more files uploaded right here. Then we have the other options as well, the SKU numbers, stocks. We have some different variants of it as well, different categories, different tags, and all the other stuff as well. And once you've done that, you are good to go. Then you just simply click on save and publish as well. And give it a couple of seconds, and boom, it's now published and available on our website. Now let's go ahead and start editing it out. So over here, as I said before, we have different pages, right? Let's go ahead and click on the design element. And over here, we have the site style, browser icons, lock screens, checkout, 404 page, access denied screen, and many, many more. So let's go ahead and click on site style. And over here onto the right hand side, we have these options. We have fonts, colors, animation, spacing, buttons, and image blocks. Let's go ahead and click on the font and change the font. Right now, this is the font that has been selected, Acumen Pro, and the paragraph is Poppins. I'm going to keep Poppins because I like it. So let's go ahead and click on the fonts and maybe change it. So there are two fonts that are available to us. We can browse all fonts over here. This one actually looks pretty nice. Now I actually like this one. And then we can add letter spacing as well. As you can see, increase and decrease it. We have the line height if you want to. I'll keep it like that. Then we have heading, heading 2, heading 3, all of the other ones. We're going to keep that. Next up is colors. Let's go ahead and change the color. This is the default palette right here. We can edit different palette completely. We can choose it over here. Right now, this one is selected, white and black. Let's go ahead and change it out. What about this one? Nope. I'll keep this purple one. Purple one looks pretty nice. And also, I do want to change background of it as well. You know, change it out. Gray one looks pretty nice, actually. Yeah, that looks much better. Yeah. Next, what we can do is we can add different animations. So right now we have the fade animation. So as you can see, this is how it would look like when you first come into it. Maybe even scale, product, you know, scale from 0 to 100. Maybe even slide up, maybe clip, or flex. I actually like the fade one, much cleaner. So we're going to select that. We can even increase the speed of it as well. Maybe slow, medium. Medium looks nice. Then we have the buttons as well. We have different styles. We're going to close that. So over here, we have the primary option. We have the space right here. Let's go with the pill, actually, the rounded version. Let me see. As you can see over here, let's go with different buttons. Maybe this one. Actually, I would like this rounded version. So I'm going to choose that. We can even add like an outline to it to give it a little bit more pop. Yeah. And once you're done, you just simply close it up. Then you have image blocks as well. So right here, you can see we have different options. Text alignment is going to be centered. The image card itself over here, and the text alignment is going to be centered as well. Then we're going to go back and we're going to close this up. Next, what we can do is we can edit the header. So over here, we have site and logo. Let's go ahead and add our logo. This is the logo right here. Wait for it to be uploaded. Give it a couple of seconds. Boom, here we go. This is the logo. Increase the logo height as well, as you can see right here. And we can add a mobile logo as well. Select from library. We're going to select it over here and click on add. Then go back. We can even select the elements as well. So we have social links, social icons. We have borders as well. We can add different borders to them if you want to, but I feel like no border looks much better. Yeah. And then we'll just simply click on save to save our changes. And of course, as I said before, if you wanted to add different sections to this website, let me just show you how you can. So for that, we'll go back over here and we have different pages. Here we go. As you can see, we have this option right here. If you wanted to add different section, click on that. And over here, you have different options. You have images, menus, forms, charts, audios, quotes, events, if you want. We'll go ahead and add different quotes over here. As you can see, we have different options. We'll just add this right here. This one looks pretty good. We can even move this section down as well right here. As you can see what people are saying. So this could be like a testimonial type of page, and people can see, people will write their own testimonials over here. You can add them later. This is of course for example, so I'm not going to go ahead and add it over here, but the editor itself is very simple. I do have to say, not a lot of whole stuff going on. Keeps it simple, keeps it minimalistic. You can add different pages in different sections as well. And yeah, and if I wanted to save the changes, simply click on done. And over here, as I said before, you can add different pages by coming back over here, clicking on pages and clicking on the plus icon, and you can add like a blank page, page layout, scheduling, blog, store, or events, or whatever. It all depends on you. But yeah, generally this is it. This is how the editor looks like. This is how you can choose a different theme, add different products, edit out the overall style of your website, add different logos, and you are good to go.